Welcome to Crossways, a property surrounded by golf courses and stunning open countryside, and very close to London. It's a short walk to the tram that takes you to East Croydon within 10 minutes. And only half an hour train journey will drop you into central London. Amenities such as the primary and high schools are close by, as well as a parade of shops. As you know, location is said to be everything, but this house has so much more to offer internally too. First of all, within Crossways, there are 3 reception rooms. As you can see, the vendor, who's lived here over 16 years, have seen lots of improvements and refurbishments in this delectable 1950s semi-detached property. Upstairs, you have the advantage of 4 double bedrooms. Number 59 Crossways is ready to move into and ready to be extended further should you feel the need to, of course. As you can see, the contemporary beach kitchen units offer high quality throughout. So with a great location, fantastic amenities on your doorstep, and a house that's been thoroughly looked after, this house is a must-see. And you can do that by calling Nicole on 01737 246 777. Or email nicolek@powerbespoke.co.uk.